రెండు మనసుల దూరం
ఏడికి పోతున్నావు? ఉండను ఉండను చూడు
अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज ऐसे है चाहे वैसे है अरे जो भी है जैसे है तुम पे हम नाज है हमको ये जमाना चाहो तो हमको आजमाना प्यार बात हम जानता हम इश्क बात दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर जीत जीत ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ाते हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ाते हम इंडिया वाले
चाबी से चुपके से खोले बिना के ताले जाने तेरे जाने देते ताई ना देते जिसकी बिना है गले मिला
दुनिया में हमको क्या ले जाना यारों के दिल में हो ठिकाना बार बार प्यार की बात कहना कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छुए के दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले छीले हाथ से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ाते हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ाते
చూడు బాగుందా అగో వాటర్ ఉంటే వాటర్ ట్యాంక్ పెట్టిన వాటర్ చూడు చూడు మాట్లాడొద్దు कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हर कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल से उखड़िए मुंह पे करिए या करिए हर कोई तो चल से उखड़िए मुंह पे करिए या करिए
Take the time to
In the beginning, there was nothing. And then, there was everything. When different notes find a common string, the music is simply magical. When separate colors dance into heavenly shades, the purity is shedding white. When diverse emotions mingle, the fusion is humanity. When different cultures blend, the result is a lasting civilization. When people learn to live with each other, the harmony is eternal. When Ibrahim Qutb Shah the king heard about his son's love for a beautiful Hindu girl, he thought it was but a passing fantasy, an infatuation of heath. But then one day, there was a storm. The river Musi was in flood. Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah, however, wanted to meet his lady love and could not be denied. Braving all danger, the young prince swam across the turbulent waters. Bhagamati was ecstatic, but the king was appalled. He immediately ordered that a bridge be built across the river Musi. And it is that bridge of love that is today called Purana Pul. The love story between Muslim monarch and Hindu commoner has a wonderful envy. They got married and lived happily ever after. But not before they gave the Deccan the gift of her name. As a token of his love for his bride, Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah first called the city Bhagyavati. When after marriage she was christened Hyder Mahal, the city was renamed Hyderabad. The construction of the city started with the Charminar, which was to be its centerpiece. 4 roads were to radiate from this magnificent monument towards the north, east, west, and south. The road to the west led to the famous Golconda Fort. If Hyderabad starred in a romance that cut across religious divides, Golconda too was the stage where Hindu-Muslim amity took a divine bow. When Abul Hasan Tana Shah, the last of the Qutb Shahi dynasty, heard that Ramdas, a Hindu employee, had used government money to build a temple at Bhadrachalam for Lord Rama, he was naturally upset. "I'll repay the money if Lord Rama has mercy," said Ramdas humbly when questioned, and was promptly sent to prison with the order that he be released only when his Lord Rama settled his dues. In prison, Ramdas showed his jailers that as long as he had the power of prayer working for him, he was free. The jailers told their king about the miracles in the cell, but he was not moved. One day when Abu Hassan was sleeping, it is said that Lord Rama and his brother Lakshmana appeared in his dream and produced the receipt for payment of the amount due to the king. Next morning, the Sultan personally came to the cell where Ramdas was interned and released him, and became perhaps the first Muslim ruler in the history of mankind who was blessed with the divine darshan of a Hindu god. It is legends such as these that have set the tone for the evolution of Hyderabad, a city of lakes and a city of gardens. As Hyderabad flourished, a flag that had ruled for over 2 centuries heard the battle cry of an India hungry for freedom and made way for a tricolor celebration of independence. As the state of Andhra Pradesh was bifurcated, Telangana was formed and Hyderabad remained as the state's capital.
వర్షం పడుతున్నాడ నీళ్ళు పట్టుకున్నా నీళ్ళు పట్టుకొచ్చు వర్షం చూడు చూడు సూపర్ ఉంది.
Papa, Papa, ये डब्बे ढूंढो, ये रास्ते
Thank you.
సూపర్ సాంగ్స్ వస్తాయి అన్ని పాతవి ప్యాట్రియాటిక్ సాంగ్స్ వస్తాయి చూడండి నేషనల్ సాంగ్స్
ఫుడ్ అయిపోయింది. లైక్ షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ప్లీజ్. గన్ను కూడా పెట్టండి. గుడ్ నైట్. బాయ్.